SVDD today we had AI seminar workshop today, and Tina Mehta, she was a very good resource person. She is. Yes. Today we came to know about many new AI apps like Canva AI and then Gemini, Claude AI, and these apps are very helpful for teachers. Okay, some are helpful for subjects and some for making the report card and all. So today it was a fruitful session, I should say.
So in today's episode, let me answer this.
It's a very good session. We all enjoyed. Hope we all enjoyed.
Yes.
So it was really good. Looking forward for more.
The teacher was
Wonderful
excellent.
session.
I do explain that was excellent.
So thank you, Tina ma'am.
Thank you for the workshop. Myself Lopa Gandhi from SVDD school, and I was really impressed with the entire workshop. And since I was not aware about the AI tools which were being used or which we can use for our study or for other purpose, I got the insight about the entire app, and both the teachers who have taught us are very wonderful. At the same time, the in-depth knowledge also was being given to us, and I personally made one small short video on Canva which helped me to understand how we can change the things and make it more better and better and better. So thank you so much, the entire team.